So you want to send and transfer your crypto coins and tokens from one chain to other chain, from one blockchain to another blockchain. This is how you do it. We go straight to this application, which is called OWLTO Finance. This is my favorite bridge where you can transfer crypto from one chain to other chain. For example, you have some money on Solana, some tokens, some USDC, for example, and you want to send to Base, which is Ethereum layer 2. You can send to Ethereum, to ZK Sync, Scroll, Linea, all these different blockchains, which is really insane. And you can even send to Bitcoin-based blockchains, but I will choose Base. And for example, I want to send $7 from Solana to Base. Here you will see, here you see I will receive $7 in my Base wallet. And what I do, I just press send. The first thing you have to do, you will have to connect your Solana wallet, which is most likely will be Phantom, and your MetaMask wallet or Ethereum wallet, whatever wallet you have. And here you can see I just bridged $7 from Solana to Base. The transaction is processing. You can also see it on the blockchain. And the best thing about this bridge is that you are actually qualifying for an airdrop. Here you will see I got 245 points for this transaction. And I just sent $7 from Solana to Base. And here is my total score. The more points you have, the bigger airdrop allocation you will get at the end. I think that this airdrop will conclude in early 2025 or late 2024. So you are still early. And if you want to get more points by signing up to this platform, you can use my referral link. My referral link is in the description and in the comment section. You can also swap tokens on all of these different chains, and also you can deploy smart contracts. If you want to qualify for multiple airdrops, you should deploy, and I did it as well. I deployed multiple smart contracts on these basically networks, and if you deploy multiple, I think 5 smart contracts, you will get a bigger score, which means bigger airdrop. The airdrop will most likely for Base drop in early 2025. That's just my opinion. Here you can see your rewards. Here you can see I have total 12 referees. The referees have done 357 bridges. So these are many ways you can earn points and qualify for bigger airdrop. The fees are really low. Also, you get points for bridging, for example, to Linea. You will get 400, 850, 1450 points for 3 bridges. So you are not just bridging, you are earning airdrop points. I think most likely in Q4 you will get your airdrop. That's basically how you can bridge and send crypto from one blockchain to other blockchain. There are Bitcoin blockchains, Ethereum, virtual machine, EVM based, which are mostly layer 2s. Non-EVM is Starknet, Solana, and even testnet blockchains. And I'm personally using this. So if you want to use it and get more points, use my referral link in description. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha, press that like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto, NFT, and airdrop alpha. That's why thanks for watching and see you in the next video.